Do anti-inflammatories help healing? For example, if you're looking at non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen, yes, in the short run, between 7 to 14 days or up to 12 weeks, you can see that the inflammation comes down. However, if you're using it for chronic inflammation in a long term, it's going to affect your gut lining, it's going to affect your heart, and it actually breaks down the formation of collagen, which is a very important protein that you need for repair and rejuvenation of the body. So I would not recommend ibuprofen, Tylenol for a long-term use. Instead, you could go with collagen peptides. Those actually help build up the healthy tissue. Vitamin C, a very strong anti-inflammatory herb is curcumin, which is an active ingredient that you can see in turmeric. And grapeseed extract also has some anti-inflammatory properties.